Going to our watch list. First, we know already that we have a date that potentially has both sides due to the market having a two-sided balanced structure this week. We can probably see a mixture of things on our scans here if we just give it a look. Some smaller stocks here did have their day all the way down, well, to the middle. You see Palantir here that came up on the bull watch list. As you see, our scan is done so that it catches that C interaction, the first 20-day cycle after the 80-day cycle on Palantir. As you know, uh, most stocks are in that cycle right now, but the upwards part of the 20-day cycle. So we should see movement up, especially where, as you see here, yesterday our scan picked it up, and it could be traded yesterday as well as today. The scan is designed to continue to show you uh, opportunities from the previous day. So that's why
Okay.
you see this right here and which is an easy second day play. The target on Palantir is obviously the projection of the distance between 106 and the crossing point at 121, which is 15 points projected higher, is 135. So we should see movement up to there on Palantir unless it gets really bearish, which it has this month in the AI tech sell-off. So expected to see resistance there, definitely. It is a failed cycle, trading cycle, and it probably is not going to respond very bullishly. There are a couple other ones on here, namely Tilray, brand name, that had a good boost today. Not very much. We have a couple others with high volume. Um, Here's Robinhood, which came up on the list. As we've seen from the previous day, again, because it did break through that FLD, today is a good day to take Robinhood, for a long. So as we've demonstrated, a couple of these um, were good enough to trade today on the long side. If we were to just look at the shorts list here, might see a slightly different theme, but again, higher relative volume on some of these uh, in
Okay.
order from the top. A lot of these did come through, um, namely the semiconductor index. So that was a pretty large day to the downside, where the code has found that it did break through on the previous day with its median price. And of course, that is also a break of the 40-day FLD under here, approximately here. Again, it's not on the chart for the sake of clarity, but this scan will pick up when it breaks the 40-day FLD, which is a longer term cycle that creates a larger target down here somewhere. Moving on, Riot, another on the shorts list that broke the 40-day FLD today for a trade downwards. Moving towards changing it up, let's talk about the overall market a little bit for this post-market update. So, as you can see on this chart, the ES stalled out today, created another trading range, but we already knew that from yesterday's update and over the weekend reading the newsletter that the market would potentially not pick up very much steam anyways. I don't see any reason to think momentum will come into the long side. the question of um, where the next bounce could be, I don't think today is the day to consider that. Definitely next week there may be another move out of the 10-day cycle low. Okay, that does it for the post-market update for Advised Trader. Have a good day and a good weekend. Good holiday.